Hey, Chris Nava here with US Waterproofing. Today I'm in Chicago, Illinois. Walked into a drain tile job where our job prep crew is here today. You may ask what job prep is. Come on this way and I'll show you. Job prep is actually a division of handyman and carpenters that we have that come in and prepare a job before we come in to do a drain tile. I'll show you what I mean. Today we have Juan and Eric here, and they have removed some drywall to expose the foundation. And as you can see, we have a stone foundation here that the homeowners have been experiencing some seepage. The reason the crew's here right now, like I said, is to open the drywall to expose it so that the rain tile can come in and break the concrete part of this wall. See you next time.